Hey, Congress Explorers, it's your last day of sixth grade, especially science. I like this little meme right here with Philip J. Fry. Not sure if the last day, it's like kind of anticlimactic this last day. It's kind of like, woohoo, I guess I'm going to be probably home a lot still. May 21st is National American Red Cross Founders Day, National Wait Staff Day, National Strawberries and Cream Day, and National Memo Day. And then May 22nd is National Craft Distillery Day, World Paloma Day. National Maritime Day, National Solitaire Day, National Buy a Musical Instrument Day, National Vanilla Pudding Day, National Don't Fry Day. Get it? Don't fry. Oh, it's Friday, but don't fry. And then National Road Trip Day and National Cooler Day, all because it's for Memorial Day weekend. Whoop whoop! 3-day weekend. Well, you guys are starting your summer, so that's kind of cool. Just a reminder, I will not be available on Thursday until 1 p.m. I'll be at Congress during my scheduled work time. So if you email me, you'll just get a nice little email back that says, hey, I won't be answering this until after probably 1 o'clock. I will have my 1 to 2:30 Schoology conference on Thursday, and then I'll have one from 9:45, and then from 1 to 2:30 on Friday. So there you go. The last puzzle. I told you it's the last puzzle. Nobody got this right. These are almost palindromes. A palindrome is the same word backwards and forwards, like race car or taco cat or mom, that's an easy one, or dad, but these are a little bit different. If you take the last letter and you move it, or the first letter and you move it to the last, and you read it backwards, it's the same word. So it's almost a palindrome, but not quite. Nobody got that one. Biggest assignment, check missing work and email me about everything. Everything is due on Friday. Friday. So on here, watch the daily video, which you're doing right now. Check your missing work in Infinite Campus and complete any work. If you think it's complete, email me. If you complete work, email me. Email me any question, anything. All assignments are due Friday, and then you survived Mr. Gorski's class, so give me some advice. So give some advice to the next year's sixth graders in Google Classroom. So the third assignment down is this giving advice. It's just a blank assignment. You could write a little letter. You could add a picture of make a Bitmoji. I know a lot of you are making Bitmojis and writing. Make a Bitmoji of me with some advice. Just give those little poor fifth graders, but soon to be sixth graders next year, some advice, and I'll display them at the beginning of the year for them. And so that's what the assignment looks like when you click in Google Classroom. And then there's no like file or anything. You have to click, add or create. You can make an image, a JPEG or something like that, and upload it. Or you can start here with a drawing or open up a doc and then turn it in and let me see those so I can share those with those kids next year. And then of course leaving on the last day of school, this is what you shall all look like. We would have had a half day, so it would have been until 10:30. And so our team is having a Zoom, so we'd love to see you guys there. Countdown when would have been the end of school at 10 o'clock on Friday, and then we'll do a countdown until 10:30, and then we'll pretend we're sending you on the buses and sending you home. I don't know. Usually I get squirt guns and I drench teachers on the last day of school. So maybe I'll have my squirt guns with me. So that's it. It's been a fabulous year. I wish we would have spent the fourth quarter together, but so many of you did amazing and awesome things, and I can't wait to see you guys. Maybe during summer school, maybe, or definitely next year if you're coming back to Congress, which I hope to see you. Maybe I'll just see you at Target and you'll have to go, oh my gosh, there's Mr. Gorski, and you'll go down the other aisle. So there you go. Hope you have a wonderful summer, and you always can find me on email, so that's pretty easy. Bye, guys.